Hey everyone, welcome to another gameplay of Fallout 76. In today's video we are going to see how many lead we can extract from the Lucky Hole mine with an Excavator Power Armor. So first we will get rid of everything that we have in our junk section, and we will take out the Excavator Power Armor, take it with ourselves, and we will travel to the Lucky Hole mine for 45 caps, ladies and gentlemen. We will wait till the screen load in, and I hope you are all having a nice day, having a cup of tea and something. As we arrive to the location, we instantly run inside the mine, and as you can see I have this cool new feature railway outfit which is free for the Fallout First members equipped on me. Usually you get here some enemies and they are some mad cultists. I'm not sure do you want to get in touch with them. If you are coming just for the lead, then you are better avoid them. As you enter the mine you instantly run quickly, don't engage anyone. Just go down this hallway straight and you will already have the key. If you played the game from earlier, you crouch, hide and use some weapon, ladies and gentlemen, that you will eliminate all these enemies here. Be quiet. There are plenty of them out there. That's what I said. Better hide. They will be throwing on like these cocktails on you. Cocktails. More enemies. Don't worry, you quickly get rid of them. Plague you, rat. And as you get rid of all of your enemies, you are going to equip your Excavator armor which you got earlier from the game. I hope you are not too low level on this game, because you are too low level you will not have this power armor yet. The question is, why would you equip this armor? Because with this armor you get 4 times of what you will get in usual harvest. So we get 3 lead sources here. Vein. We have a crystal vein here. Since we are here, we will take the lead vein and the crystal vein. You have 2 lead veins here. You have a lead vein here, lead vein everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. And then you go to this side and you enter this little dark hallway, and you also have here crystal veins, and someone is attacking me. You will have some rats here, like rats and those mad cultists as enemies. You will take more lead vines here, ladies and gentlemen, and you go to this area. Some more lead vine, and my movement freezes up a bit because of my frame rate or something, so don't worry about it. Freezes up. You just avoid this trap on the ground, ladies and gentlemen, and you go up here, and you will have more enemies. Get rid of them just like that. Take this metal bucket. The metal bucket is a must-have, ladies and gentlemen. Take all your ammunition that you have, and you will have more enemies here on the right. And that's all she wrote. You have more lead veins here, ladies and gentlemen. Lead vein here, lead here. It's a bit tricky to get it, but you can get it. There's on the roof one, on the ceiling. Excuse me. I destroyed them all. You have here one more lead and here one more lead, and the movement freezes up. I don't know why. Some ammunition, the box is empty. It only freezes up when I inside some areas. I read it on the internet because of some of the frame rate setting or something like that. Doesn't matter. We are here to take the lead, ladies and gentlemen, and we have taken all the lead we can get. I maybe missed one or two, and now we will travel back to our camp to see how many lead we got from the lucky hole mine, and it's cost us only 5 minutes. If you are in a hurry, you can do it under 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. But don't forget to bring your Excavator Power Armor, because the Excavator Power Armor will bring you the full amount of the harvested lead or any other mineral that you harvest. And we will exit our power armor here because we won't need it anymore. We just leave it like that, and we don't forget to equip your Super Duper Mart, ladies and gentlemen, because when you craft anything there is a 30% chance that you'll get double the amount what you will get. So you go to the chemistry station. Your chemistry station may look different because it's only a skin that I use here, like this greenish, and you go to the smelting and you go to the lead scrap, and you can see you get 70 lead, and it will cost you 70 waste acids to scrap this down. And as we are here, we will scrap everything down. Don't forget to equip that card, because we'll bring you the 30% chance to get this amount of more lead, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, it cost us like 5 or 6 minutes of our daily time to get how many? We get 460 leads exactly, and I most probably missed the one or two, so let's say 500 lead scraps you can get under 5 minutes, under the condition if you have the Excavator Power Armor, and of course you equipped the card Super Duper. So I hope you like this video. Please click the like and the subscribe button, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.